I have a trick for you guys. I just scared one of the guys that's standing here getting ready to try some of these. So I found a product that everybody needs to try. If you love cinnamon rolls, this stuff is so good. It's so good. The only thing I would change, I would make my own homemade cream cheese icing. I made some cinnamon rolls that were rolled up with some little apples. You need to check that video out. I'll hit a link up here. And then also check this out. This little picture that's right here, that's going to be here, is the brand that I'm using. They are wonderful. No GMOs, none of that. None of that.
Bioengineered?
Bioengineered stuff. Sorry, I couldn't think. Thanks for the help, son. But these are awesome. You will really love these. Go check out that you can find them at Walmart, Kroger, any other kind of grocery store. And they are in North Carolina. So I have a lot of people watching me in North Carolina. You can find these there. And it saves the time of making these from scratch. And it's a wonderful product. They have some other items too that you need to check out. We're going to do a video on their loaf bread once I can find it, because I'm really excited about that as well. So keep watching, smash that like button for me, and let's play. So after we place these in the freezer, in the refrigerator, so you want to take out how many you want. So I've got 6 in here. And they were in the refrigerator overnight, or the ice box, whatever you want to call it. And then I put warm water in the sink, plastic over them, and then I stick them in the sink and let them proof until they get about yay big. You can tell they're probably about 2 to 3 times bigger than when they are frozen. And then we'll cook these in the oven at 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes once they get a nice golden brown on top. And then we'll use the little packet of the cream cheese icing for the top. So let's put these in the oven. So we just pulled these out. Man, these look awesome. And then we're going to add their cream cheese. This is probably about the only thing that I would change with these, is make my own cream cheese icing. But just take this thing, drizzle it real good, and this will start melting. And I'm telling you, for a frozen cinnamon roll, this is the best cinnamon roll you can buy that is a pre-product. These are awesome. They almost, I mean, they're real close to tasting homemade. These are outstanding, and they are, you know, Pillsbury, you go buy some Pillsbury, they're going to be, what is it, biological? No. Help me out.
GMO. Bioengineered?
Yeah, bioengineered. Thank you. Thank you, gentlemen. I appreciate it. So these are non-bioengineered, and it says it on the bag. These are awesome. This is a must try. And they also have some other products out there, so make sure you check those out too. They're wonderful. You find them in the freezer section at Walmart and in any grocery store. So thanks for watching. Make sure you smash that like button, share with your family and friends, subscribe. And what's the other one? Oh yeah, set your notifications. Thanks so much. God bless.